mind the naked chin. This is AI. This is artificial intelligence. My beard is here. This is just AI. So don't ask me a lot of questions. It's 2026. I had a really, really great consult. I do virtual consults with people. If you did not know, you can drop me a DM. We can have a 30-minute chat, a 1-hour chat virtually. For some people, we do it physically. Sometimes we take a walk. Sometimes we have a coffee, etc. If you want to talk about money, family, children, business, corporate, health, whatever the case may be. I had a really, really great chat, a really great consult with a gentleman who is a member of the Shembe Church, Ibandla Lama Nazareta in South Africa, which is one of the biggest, we'll call it religious groups in the country. And one of the thoughts that came to my head while listening to him, which is why I'm making this video, is I think for Zulu men, or men who identify as being AmaZulu, Aqotho, Angempela, I really think if you are Zulu, you need to consider joining Ibandla Lama Nazareta. The royal family, led currently by Umisu Zulu Kazwelithini, doesn't seem to have a doctrine that ordinary Zulu people can follow as prescription. But the Shembe Church, Ibandla Lama Nazareta, does. So if you're looking for a doctrine that is noted down, that is organized, that is aligned to Zulu culture in some way, Ibandla Lama Nazareta becomes the best. They are very welcoming and supportive of polygamy. They are very supportive of old school, old traditional women that are submissive. They have a certain diet that is aligned to the Zulu people, or anyone to be honest, but specifically the Zulu people. They gather on a regular. I've spoken before about Muslims sending their kids to madrasa to learn the Islamic way of living. I've spoken about Jewish people sending their kids either to a Jewish school or they go to school once a week to learn Hebrew and to learn how to carry themselves as a Jewish child. The Muslim kids learn Arabic as well. Ibandla Lama Nazareta once a week gathers, and your child, number one, will learn isiZulu as your native language. Number two, will learn the way of living like a Zulu person, but specifically under Ibandla Lama Nazareta. So I found myself thinking that any real Zulu person should not be Christian, should not be Muslim, but should be under Ibandla Lama Nazareta, which interestingly is not Christian, by the way.
Sibingelele. Kune video engivule ngayo la khona uMr Panuel ekhuluma ngokuthi ube ne-interaction nelinye lamalunga lama Nazareth, but akuthande kakhulu nalokho athi ukucabangile ukuthi all Zulu men kumele babe ama-members ase-Nazareth noma kumele bakhonze ebandleni lama-Nazareth, ngoba ubebona ukuthi ibandla lama-Nazareth khona into eliyenzayo kubantu ayithandile yena ngokwakhe, right? After ekhulume nomuntu oyiNazareth, right? But ulayini ngifuna ukukhuluma ngawo kule nkulumo lesivule ngayo ile ethi specifically Zulu men, yabo ulo layini. Now ibandla lama-Nazareth is not only for Zulu people. Ayikusho ngesizulu. Ibandla lama-Nazareth akusilona elamaZulu kuphela. Ibandla lama-Nazareth elesizwe ekuthiwa abantu. Khona isizwe ekuthiwa abantu. Ngaphansi kwesizwe ekuthiwa abantu kukhona ama-San people, kuzoba khona ama-Ngoni people. Thina-ke abantu abaningi bazi ngokuthi Nguni, but it's Ngoni people, right? San people and Ngoni people, mase behlanganisiwe, they are called abantu, right? So ibandla lama-Nazareth elabantu as a whole, right? Lizobona bonke abantu, right? Ngizokuprova lokho. I'm gonna prove kunama video engizowaveza la to prove ukuthi ibandla lama-Nazareth akulona lamaZulu kuphela, lafikela KwaZulu Natal, ngobani kwase kuyisizwe iKwaZulu Natal esibunjiwe, esabunjwa ngelembe eleta amanye amalembe ngokukhalipha isilo ingonyama uShaka Zulu. Umsebenzi welembe kokubumba isizwe la khona ubuNazareth abuzofikela khona. Ngobani sase divided kakhulu, ubukhosi bobuningi, ubukhosi bulwa ngapha nangapha nangapha, yabo. So kwase kwaphoqa ukuthi akube khona inkosi eyodwa amanye amakhosi azokwazi ukuthi ayilalele kube khona isizwe esisodwa esikhulu la ubuNazaretha ebuzofikela khona bese biyaqala bubuthe namanye ama-tribes ngoba ama-tribes angena ngaphansi kwesizwe sabantu. Right? Ake siprove ukuthi ibandla lamaNazaretha akulona elakwaZulu kuphela futhi akulona elamaZulu kuphela. Kahle kahle bonke abantu abansundu umuntu nje unalo nwele kumele ukuthi ube yiNazaretha, male or female, umuntu nje unonwele kahle kahle kumele ukuthi ube yiNazaretha. Right? Ake siprove-ke. Singing. Now, nansi video yakwaZulu Natal. Kungeniswa umdedelo kephi kwaZulu Natal. If ulalela isihlabelela esihlabelelwayo sithi mdedele angene bese siyakuveza ukuthi nangu uZulu. Right? Bese siphinde siveze futhi sithi thina nzalo kaDingane. Right? Ikephi la? IkwaZulu. Ngifuna ukukuprovela ukuthi ibandla lamaNazaretha akulona elamaZulu kuphela, akulona elakwaZulu Natal kuphela, and bonke abantu kumele babe amaNazaretha. Wonke amadoda akwabantu akantu kumele abe amaNazaretha. Ake siye eSwaziland. Ngizocela ukuthi unake ukuthi bebengenisa umdedelo bathini bona, bazibiza ngoZulu, kwenzakalani, bathini. Ake siye eSwaziland. Le video besade sidlala iseSwaziland. Uyakhumbula kwaZulu batheni nanguZulu. Baphinda bathi thina nzalo kabani kaDingane. Le video besade sibuka iseSwaziland. Benza exactly the same thing ebiyenziwa kwaZulu Natal. Kodwa bathini? Bathi thina nzalo kabani kaMswati. Yabo? Baphinde bazoveza uNgwane. uNgwane wakephi? WaseSwaziland. Right? Ake sisuke eSwaziland siye eMozambique siza ukuthi bazibiza ngoZulu yini khona. Ithini into khona. Ake siye eMozambique.
Kodwa bangalasa nyamunta seyirwele mnanzi yabona. Khayisani sabatha la Yehova. Yingisani ritu la Yehova. Akuyingiseta ritu la Yehova swinene ulingiseta uliyendla. Ungayingiseti ungalindi, khayisani sabatha la Yehova.
Now, nathi-ke video eMozambique bafunda umthandazo weSabatha. Mase ufunda ngesiZulu uthi ngitolika ngesiZulu lo mthandazo bewufunda. Uthi gcinani iSabatha likaJehova. Ungasebenzi umsebenzi ngeSabatha. Ngitolika umthandazo bekade ufunda, kodwa ufunda ngani? Ufunda ngolimi lwakhe. Inkolo yamaNazaretha ithi woza njengoba unjalo, woza namasiko akho, woza neculture yakho. Mawukuthi benibhinca kwaZulu, woza ubhince. Mawukuthi nivunula ngenye indlela kaSwati, woza nemvunulo yakhe kaSwati. Mawukuthi nivunula ngenye indlela kaXhosa, woza nemvunulo yakhe yakwaXhosa. Namasiko akho ngobani lize kubona bonke abantu. Lize kona wonke ama-tribes, not Zulu people only. It's not only in alignment with the Zulu cultures, it's in alignment with all the cultures of the Bantu nation. Right? Ake siqhubeke siphinde sibuke khona eMozambique ukuthi mebehlabelela njengoba kukhona isihlabelelo esibhalwe ngesiZulu. EMozambique bahlabelela ngesiZulu yini noma bahlabelela kanjani? Ake siye eMozambique. Now, njengoba bebekade behlabelela eMozambique, nasi sihlabelelo bekade besihlabelela. Yabo ngesiZulu sikanjani? Sisindisiwe thina Manazaretha sonke siyohlabelela sibajele bonke sisindisiwe thina. Sihlabelelo kanjalo ngesiZulu. Ungakubuka ukuhlabelela kwami kodwa sihlabelelo kanjalo ngesiZulu. Uzulu bebethini? If ubuyela back kule video uzozwa ukuthi bebecula exactly lehlabelele engisihlabelelayo kodwa bahlabelela ngolimi lwabo because akumele bayishintshe ububona. Inkolo yamaNazaretha ikwamukela as who you are, with your own language, with your own culture and customs. It's not only for Zulu people, it's for all the Bantu nation. Sicela ukuthi sivalenda, siyabonga kakhulu. Sibingelele kubo bonke abalandeli bethu kwi-Asikhulisane talk show. Sifisa ukuveza la ukuthi siseyinhlelweni zokuthi kuhambe sibe nama classes, right? Njengamanje kwamanye ama-experts sisa business training kodwa sifisa ukuthi sibe nama classes nje ekhambeni kwesikhathi. So we have created a WhatsApp group. I-link i-attachiwe kwi-bio yami. Mungena kwi-profile yami kwi-bio, i-link ya WhatsApp group ngiyifake khona. So kumuntu ozoba interested mhlawumbe ukuthi abe ingxenye ye-Asikhulisane angayijoyina i-group ngoba ezinye izinto zizochazwa khona, ezinye izinto zizokhulunywa khona. Even if ngisho ngathiwa mhlawumbe ufisa ukuthi ube involved nawe kuma videos esiwenzayo, mhlawumbe ufisa ukuthi usuggest ama topics noma ufisa ukuthi ube involved, uzokwazi ukuthi upropose khona egroupini. And ama classes ethu esizowaqala ekhambeni kwesikhathi azofocusa intweni eziwu4: isintu, umlando wethu thina abantu abamnyama because sifidwe umlando o-wrong, sifidwe udoti womlando ophambanisiwe, right? Kuzoba personal development ukuthi ukuze ube umuntu uhambe kahle yiphi indlela yokuhamba, personal development yabo ukwazi ukukhula, right? Bese kuzoba yini enye, business and money. Sizoxila kakhulu kule ye-business and money sabantu abamnyama, nayo sizokhuluma ngayo, sifundisane, sikhulisane ngayo. So kumuntu nje ongase abe interested, i-link ikhona, i-attachiwe kwi-bio, i-Asikhulisane classes. Ilapho khona la soplana khona yonke into, si-discuss way forward nama topics, mhlawumbe uma ufuna ukusuggesta nama class mase zoqala sizokhuluma khona ukuthi uregister kanjani, khamba kanjani. Siyabonga kakhulu.